We called in a bunch of different acne spot treatments, kind of rated how they worked based on a few different factors. We look at ease of use, affordability, and obviously effectiveness. We picked Mighty Patch as the best overall because it's really easy to use. You know, they're super easy to travel with, take on the go. The price is super affordable. Mighty Patch doesn't have any active ingredients, so it's just a hydrocolloid patch, and that means that it's really easy for any skin type to use. You know, some people can't really use salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide. It might not be the best for your specific type of pimple all the time, but I think we want to find something that works well for everyone. And if we're looking and just talking about everyone, this is like a really versatile product for that.
So acne patches are basically stickers. And what they do is when you place them on a pimple, they contain a material called hydrocolloid. And hydrocolloid is a material that forms a gel when it absorbs water. And the hydrocolloid draws the water out of the skin and in a sense shrinks the swollen pimple. The best kind of acne that acne patches work for is superficial inflammatory acne. And that's to say that a pimple that's kind of superficial on the skin, it's pink or red, it's swollen, sometimes it's surmounted by a little pustule. Those are really accessible to the hydrocolloid in the patch, and those will respond well by shrinking.
I've tried a few other pimple patches in the past that didn't seem to work that well, but this was like a new brand that seemed promising, so I gave it a try, and it kind of like blew all the other ones out of the water. And
I had a huge pimple on my face last night, so I decided to put on a Mighty Patch, and it literally sucked out all the gunk from my face and left my pimple nowhere to be found.
People think I'm obsessed with this, but I'm okay with it. I am obsessed with it. And I think this is an obsession that doesn't hurt anyone.